This video shows you how to add images to straight tables in ClickSense. To create a table with images, first open a ClickSense sheet in analysis mode. In the left panel, select Charts, and then drag and drop a table onto the sheet. As a first column, add the dimension Country. Then, in the right panel, add a second column and add the dimension Country to it. In the second column, we want to show the values of the dimension Country as images. Click on the dimension and in the Representation field, select Image from the drop-down menu. In Image Settings, select Add URL. Then, in the Image URL field, open the Expression Editor. Next, add a link to the GitHub repository containing the country flag images. Please note, if you are working in a SaaS environment, you must add the content source to the allow list in your content security policy in the Management Console. When you are done, click Apply. In Sizing, you can choose from sizing options for the images. In this case, we select the option Fit to Width. Image size and table layout can be modified. In Presentation, select Styling. You can adjust the row height setting. In this example, set it to 3. Next, adjust the content font size to 23. And here you have the result. The straight table is now showing the flag images in the second column. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.